Tala hindi pa masagot ng palasyo ang magiging desisyon ni Pangulong Aquino ukol sa kaso ni PMA Cadet First Class Aldrin Jeff Cudia. Sa press briefing kanina, sinabi ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lecerda na wala pang natatanggap ang Office of the President na report mula sa Philippine Military Academy tungkol kay Cudia. Wala din aniya silang impormasyon sa personal na pagpunta sa palasyo ng pamilya ni Cudia para kausapin si Pangulong Aquino. Kasabay nito, sinabi ni Lecerda na ipinauubaya na nila sa AFP ang kaso.
An apple should not spoil the entire barrel. You may have some bad eggs there, but it should not say that the system is bad because of one or two or three persons who are perceived to have not honored the honor code. It's a system that they have. It's a culture that they have imbibed in the 4 years of training in the Philippine Military Academy, and I would believe that most of those graduates continue to observe the honor code even while they are no longer in the Philippine Military Academy, and that shows the strength of the honor code if most of them, a majority of them, continues to observe the honor code.